Hi, my name is Andrea. I work in stylist relations and education for K18 Hair. My hair type is fine and curly. On a scale of 1 to 5, my hair is definitely a 5 when it comes to how much I damage it. I bleach it, I heat style it, I wear extensions, so there's a lot of weight added to it. It definitely goes through a lot. My stylist uses the molecular repair service every time I get my hair done. She uses the Pro Mist and the mask in every service she does. I get my hair bleached quite frequently, so it's the only reason that I have as much hair on my head as I do. At home, I use the detox shampoo. This one helps to keep my hair super clean because I only shampoo like once a week. It also won't strip my color, which I love. I use the leave-in molecular repair mask. This one keeps my hair damage-free, strong, and healthy. And then I also use the molecular repair oil, which has heat protection up to 450 and adds incredible shine. Now that I use K18, I feel like I can go a little bit lighter in my bleaching surfaces. I can kind of push my limits a little more. I'm also able to wear extensions now, whereas before my hair was pretty damaged and it wasn't able to hold the extensions. Now it's strong, healthy, and I'm able to kind of wear my hair the way that I want to wear it.